Ever struggled splitting a restaurant bill with friends, paying back a loan, or sending money to family overseas? Traditional methods can be a hassle, cash is inconvenient, bank transfers are slow, and some apps are complex. But what if there was a way to send and receive money instantly, securely, and right from your phone? That's where Vipps comes in. This innovative app is revolutionizing how people in Norway, and increasingly other countries, manage their finances. With Vipps, sending and receiving money is as easy as sending a text message. How does Vipps work? So, how exactly does Vipps work? Let's break it down into a few simple steps. Download and sign up. First, download the Vipps app from your app store. Signing up is quick and easy. You'll just need your Norwegian phone number and your bank account information. Adding contacts. Once you're signed up, you can easily add contacts to your Vipps list. This can be done by searching for their phone number or scanning their QR code. Sending and receiving money. Now comes the fun part. To send money, simply select the contact you want to pay, enter the amount, and add a message if you'd like. With a few taps, the money is sent instantly and securely. Receiving money is just as easy. You'll receive a notification on your phone and the money is deposited directly into your bank account. Benefits of using Vipps. There are several advantages to using Vipps. Speed and convenience. Transactions are instant, making it perfect for splitting bills, paying back loans, or sending quick gifts. Security. Vipps uses robust security measures to protect your financial information. Ease of use. The app is incredibly user-friendly, with a simple and intuitive interface. Widespread acceptance. Vipps is widely accepted in Norway by individuals and businesses alike. You can use it to pay for groceries, clothes, movie tickets, and much more. Beyond Norway. While Vipps is primarily used in Norway, the service is expanding to other countries as well. Keep an eye out to see if it becomes available in your region. Examples and use cases. Here are some everyday scenarios where Vipps can be incredibly helpful. Splitting the bill. Imagine enjoying a delicious meal with friends. With Vipps, you can easily split the bill without any awkward fumbling for cash or figuring out who owes what. Paying back a loan. Did a friend lend you some money? Repaying them is a breeze with Vipps. Simply send them the amount you owe, and the transaction is complete. Sending pocket money. Need to send some extra cash to your kids for the weekend? Vipps is a safe and convenient way to do so. Online marketplaces. Many online marketplaces in Norway allow you to pay securely using Vipps. Safety tips. Before wrapping up, let's go over some safety tips for using Vipps. Be cautious of who you send money to. Only send money to people you know and trust. Double-check the recipient before sending. Make sure you're sending money to the correct person. Never share your PIN or login information with anyone. Vipps is a game-changer when it comes to managing your finances. With its ease, speed, and security, it's no wonder why it's become so popular in Norway. So, if you're looking for a convenient way to send and receive money, consider giving Vipps a try. Remember, have you used Vipps before? Share your experience in the comments below. If you have any questions about Vipps, feel free to ask as well. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.